In this video, I'll show you how to change your business phone number on Google Business Profile in 2026. If you've updated your contact number or want customers to reach you on a different phone, this process is quick and easy. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Go to Google Business Profile and select the business you want to edit. From your business profile dashboard, click *Edit Profile ***. Next, open the *Contact* section where your current phone number is displayed. Click the pencil icon next to the phone number, remove the old number, and enter your new business phone number. Double-check that it's correct because customers will use this number to contact your business. After making the change, click *Save***. Google may take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours to review and publish the update. During this time, your old number may still appear in Google Search or Google Maps until the changes are approved. Once the update is live, search for your business on Google to confirm that the new phone number is showing correctly. That's it. You've successfully changed your business phone number on Google Business Profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Google Business Profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.